Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make the most amazing juicy chicken. It's a Peruvian inspired dish, and to go along with it, we're going to be making an amazing green Peruvian sauce. And the key to a great piece of chicken is obviously the seasoning. And on this channel, we believe in seasoning our chicken. So let's stop doing this and make our chicken look like this. And if your chicken doesn't look anything like that, then I'm sorry, I have to report you to the chicken police.
Right to jail, right away.
Put down some plastic wrap on the counter to make cleanup easy. Start by laying out the chicken in front of you. I'm going to be using chicken quarters for this cook today, and the great thing about chicken thighs and drums is that they're very hard to mess up. They're much more forgiving than chicken breast. For the seasoning, I'm going with the Sazon seasoning, which will give the chicken its nice orange color. Garlic powder, ground cumin, and some oregano. Now let's never forget to season both sides of the chicken. Heat up a cast iron pan on medium-high, use a bit of olive oil, and let's give the chicken some color on one side until the skin's a nice golden brown, about a minute or so. And make sure not to overcrowd the chicken so it will fry and not steam. Let's flip and repeat for the other side. Now the chicken might look amazing on the outside, but it's still raw in the middle. So let's place it onto a baking sheet and pop it into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until the temperature reaches 165 Fahrenheit. And while the chicken is in the oven, let's move on to our green sauce. Into your blender, throw in 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Make sure nobody steals your blending cup. 1 whole avocado, obviously peeled and the pit removed. A whole jalapeno, cilantro, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, ground cumin, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and let's add in a bit of water. Blend on high until smooth, and your sauce is good to go. And let's take a closer look at our chicken now that it's done. Now you're ready to sit down, grab your knife, your fork, and enjoy some great tasting chicken. Hit that like and subscribe button.